guaranteed inspections here today on a 2006 build house in Torino, Northwest Port St. Lucie. We're going to demonstrate how to properly check an automatic opening garage door for safety. The first thing we want to do is disconnect this right here because we want to check the door for balance. It's important that the door not come slamming down and that the door stay in any position in the manual mode and not immediately fall. Here we're good. The door is properly balanced. The door is balanced. The door is the largest and heaviest moving item in the house. It's important that the door springs that I'm going to point to now be properly wound so that the door stays in the open position in any point of the path of travel. Here are the door springs. So this door passes inspection today and is a safe door to operate because the springs are balanced and we will not risk a sudden mechanical failure from anything due to an overloaded heavy door. Call 772-261-2008 to get your guaranteed inspection in Port St. Lucie or Vero Beach, Florida area. Thank you.